Hi, my name is Shinoy. Welcome to my channel Excel Simplified. If you are using Microsoft Excel in your day-to-day work as an accounts or sales or marketing professional, or if you are in any other field also, you have reached the right place. I'll be giving Excel tips through my videos that will make you more productive in your workplace. So these tips will enable you to complete your Excel tasks faster than your colleagues and make you the most sought after Excel expert in your organization. I'm a graduate engineer and a software professional with overall 30 plus years of work experience. I have conducted many advanced Excel trainings for big corporates in India for their employees. I have worked in multinational companies in India and Europe. The first spreadsheet application which I used was Lotus 123, that was way back in 1992 when MS Excel didn't exist. I used to create macros in Lotus 123 that helped me complete my spreadsheet tasks quickly, and many of my colleagues used to approach me for help. Later I started using MS Excel with the advent of Windows. Due to my interest, I started reading books on advanced Excel and practiced all new features introduced in each version of MS Excel that helped me gain expertise in the application. I have done many automations related to my day-to-day work using advanced Excel features and writing macros using Excel Visual Basic for applications. Through this channel, I intend to share the knowledge which I gained in the last 3 decades. More than 90% of Excel users are using MS Excel as a calculator. If you subscribe to my channel, you will be able to see all my latest videos on MS Excel tips and tricks that will help you take advantage of the full potential of this wonderful application. These videos will help you explore the powerful features of MS Excel and improve your productivity in your day-to-day work. So please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications about new videos which I post. Thank you.